Do you have big dreams, but low energy? Do you tell yourself, I'll do it later, and later never comes? Today I'll tell you a simple story, teach you useful phrases, and give you a 3-step routine to beat procrastination. Stay to the end for a mini challenge you can start today. Preview of today's lesson. In this lesson you will 1. Listen to a short story about Aisha, an ambitious student. 2. Learn vocabulary and phrases for motivation. 3. Practice speaking with shadowing. 4. Use a 3-step routine you can try tonight. Story: Aisha's later. Narrator: Aisha wants to improve her English. She also wants a better job. Every morning she writes a plan. Study English for 30 minutes. Apply for one job. Exercise for 10 minutes. But then, her phone buzzes. Social media says just 1 minute. 1 minute becomes 10. 10 becomes 30. When she finally looks at the clock, it is already evening. Aisha sighs and says, I'll do it later. The next day, the same thing happens. She watches 2 short videos, and then 3 more. She opens a job website, but she doesn't click apply. She tells herself, I'll start when I feel ready. Days pass. Her plans stay on paper. Her dreams wait in line. One night, Aisha visits her aunt. Her aunt pours tea and asks, How is your plan? Aisha smiles, but her smile is thin. I'm thinking, she says. Her aunt nods and says quietly, Thinking is good, doing is better. Small actions beat big intentions. Let me show you something simple. Her aunt takes a small kitchen timer and sets it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, she says. No pressure. Start small. Aisha opens her English notebook. She studies for 5 minutes. The timer rings. She is surprised. That was easy, she says. Can I do 5 more? Her aunt smiles. Of course. That night, Aisha studies for 15 minutes, applies for 1 job, and walks in place for 10 minutes while listening to English audio. Before sleeping, she whispers, I did it now, not later. The next day is not perfect. She still gets distracted. But now she knows a secret. Start tiny. She uses a 5-minute timer. She turns her phone face down. When the timer starts, she starts. When it stops, she rests. Small steps become a path. Aisha is still ambitious, but she is not stuck anymore. Comprehension check. Answer out loud. 1. What were the 3 things on Aisha's plan? Study English, apply for 1 job, and exercise for 10 minutes. 2. What usually stopped Aisha? Phone and social media, distractions. 3. What tool did her aunt show her? A 5-minute timer. 4. What was the secret Aisha learned? Start tiny. Small actions beat big intentions. Vocabulary for motivation. Repeat after me. 1. I'll do it later. 2. Small actions beat big intentions. 3. Set a 5-minute timer. 4. Start tiny. 5. Turn your phone face down. 6. When the timer starts, I start. 7. Done is better than perfect. Useful structures and mini grammar. We often say, I'll do it when I feel ready. But a better sentence is, I'll start now for 5 minutes. Listen and repeat. I'll start now for 5 minutes. I can continue if I want. If I get distracted, I'll restart the timer. I am building a habit, not chasing motivation. Shadowing practice. I'll read short lines. Shadow me. Speak with me at the same time. I want big results, but I will start small. 5 minutes is enough to begin. When the timer starts, I start. When the timer stops, I rest. Done is better than perfect. I am consistent, not extreme. Every small step counts. 3-step anti-procrastination routine. Here is a simple routine you can do tonight. Step 1. Clear your path. Put your phone away or turn it face down. Open only what you need. Notebook, pen, 1 page, 1 tab. Step 2. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Tell yourself, I only have to start. When the timer starts, you start. Step 3. Celebrate and decide. When the timer rings, say, nice. I did it. Then choose, stop, or add 5 more minutes. Repeat after me. Just 5 minutes. Start now. I can do more if I want. Real-life English lines. Use these lines in daily life. Repeat after me. Study. I'm opening my notebook now. I'll learn 3 new words. Job search. I'll finish 1 application. I'll update just 1 section of my CV. Fitness. I'll walk in place for 5 minutes. I'll do 5 gentle stretches. Mindset shifts. Say these with me. I don't wait for motivation. I create momentum. I don't need a perfect plan. I need a tiny start. My future thanks me for 5 minutes today. Quick quiz. 1. What's better? I'll do it later. Or I'll start now for 5 minutes. Why? 2. If you get distracted, what can you do? 3. What sentence helps you continue after 5 minutes? Today's mini challenge. Your challenge is simple. Choose 1 action. Study English, apply for a job, or move your body. Set a 5-minute timer. Start. When it rings, decide. Stop or do 5 more. Comment below. I did my 5 minutes. Tell us what you did. Remember Aisha. Ambitious but stuck. Until she started tiny. You don't need a new life. You need a start. Small actions beat big intentions. See you in the next lesson. Keep going 5 minutes at a time.